Okay, yeah, so that's Orange County there. Quick update on the Bay Area. I do have a client that's looking in Dublin, Concord, Pleasanton area. And yesterday we put in a bid for a beautiful, 2004 built condominium. And I do my thing. I call the listing agent. I get a temp check. You know what I mean? Before we send in the offer, get an understanding of what he's thinking, what are the numbers that he's getting in, what's his seller expecting. And so long story short, we looked pretty good. We went up about 5% above listing at 105% there. We went no contingencies at all, just super clean, 25-day close. Everything's beautiful. So unfortunately, this morning I got a call and he's like, "Hey, Han, you guys did a fantastic job. I really like how you guys prepared, the offer package. We signed off all sellers disclosures. Everything is proper and done. However, at the last hour, we got sent an all cash offer." And so, it kind of hurts sometimes when, you do everything right. And I think it was like, oh my gosh, it's a Star Trek quote, but it says, sometimes you do everything right and, you still fail. It's not fair. It's life, right? And so I kind of took that to heart this time around, because we were literally like at 5 p.m. I gave him a call and I said, "Hey, what are their chances? What is it looking like?" And the all cash offer came in about 15 minutes after I talked to him. So that it is what it is. We're going to have to move on from there. But I'll let you know right now that I think as the year progresses, the Dublin Pleasanton area is going to be hot fire. So if you guys are looking there right now, be prepared. Tell your tell your agents that you need to go ham on it. Whatever price that they're listing at you, you're going to have to look at maybe 5 to 10% above that. And that's just like I guess a tip from having to be in the market there. Okay, well, it's kind of funny that I always talk about just really traumatic like cash offers, because it does happen quite often here in the Bay Area. And to be honest with you, it is foreign money, right? And so one particular process that they need to do, especially if the money is still foreign, you're outside of the country, there is a need for about a 3-day verification period where the listing agent and the seller needs to do their investigation to see if the money is actually available here in the US. So that's just one process that I know, just dealing from foreign clients too. So there is a 72-hour window that you need to be able to verify that this money is allowed outside of China, outside of Russia, wherever they are, to come into the US by the time of close. But hey, that's what it is. We hope and we do everything that we can as an average Joe here in America to beat these guys. But sometimes they just come in, and it is what it is.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.